How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet. And this week I'm bringing to you the Platinum Meadowview. The Platinum Meadowview so great is the outdoor living space to top it off. Starting off, you pull up to the house, you walk up, you're going to see a 10-foot wraparound porch. On that porch as well, you have the option for an exterior swing, or as we've done on this model, we have an exterior fireplace that is already pre-wired for a TV. So you place your flat screen TV up there and you'll never want to come in. But I tell you what, once you walk in, you won't want to go back out because all the features do not stop. With the outside, it has an exterior chinked log siding on this particular model with the hardy board painted in only oregano. So it's a nice green with the cabin feel with the log chinked. And as soon as you walk in, you're greeted right here with the kitchen. You come right in, you'll see in this model, we've done the hickory cabinets. We've done a farm sink in white and stainless steel appliances. What we've done as well, you'll see that we've done transom window right up above the kitchen sink to bring in more light, and we have clerestory windows from front to back of this home, bringing in all kinds of natural light. And that flow from the kitchen goes right into the living area. And you'll see right here, we have a beautiful built-in entertainment center already prepped for you. You pretty much mount your TV right there. You've got storage down below, again with the hickory cabinets. And then you have an abundance of space here that you can put a couch, a couple of recliners, whatever you'd like to do, and have the space to be able to accommodate entertainment for guests. And you'll see that we've also went with the stained hickory southern yellow pine ceiling from front to back. Another feature to add into this cabin style tiny home. And the thing is, what we did, you can do floor to ceiling with the wood, or you can do here and there. And here and there goes a long way. So right here, you'll see that we've done the sheetrock and the trim with the wood stain going throughout and your baseboards. And if you guys follow me right on back, we'll go into the bedroom. And that's what another thing that makes this floor plan so popular is it's a 15 wide park model. 15 wide tiny home, so that means you can get a king size bed in your master. You come right in here, and you will see you have space everywhere to be able to have a great setup in your tiny home. You have barn doors here on each side that roll open for you. We've stained those in hickory as well. You've got a 6-drawer dresser built in right below, and you have space for the TV right up above. And the connection right here goes into the Jack and Jill style bathroom. What separates the two is a pocket door. So you can actually close this door off. If you have any guests coming over and going to come into your bathroom, they don't have to go through your bedroom to get there. So that's a great privacy feature. And in this model, we did the stand-up tile shower. So you'll see here a beautiful tile that we've got in here, and the roof line is elevated for the taller gentlemen or ladies out there to be able to be comfortable in their shower. You come right out, we'll close that back, and you'll see here that we have the built-in hickory cabinets here, more linen space, and then also, like I said, pocket door to close off for privacy, and it leads right out back into the main area. And you have your plug-ins for your washer and dryer already prepped for your stackable washer and dryer there. And the next stop will be the loft. But before we go up to the loft, you'll see right here that we have built-in drawers going up, so extra storage. That's what you want in a tiny home. You're keeping everything minimal, but we want storage for all your goods. So you guys follow me on up, and I'll tell you about the loft. Now we're up in the loft of the Platinum Meadowview. And with it being a 15 wide tiny home, you get an abundance of space upstairs in the loft. So it's great for guests, great for small kids, great for pets, to be able to have space to do anything that they would like to do. And we've already equipped it with plug-ins and outlets on each side for TV jacks or even gaming systems. So you can hook up a gaming system in here and play all you want. So that way your kids stay up here out of sight, out of mind. You don't have to worry about them. And also bring a little character in. We've added the trapezoid windows here in the back. And we also have the clerestory windows on each side, bringing in the natural light. So this is a great feature for anyone that's wanting extra space for guests or to accommodate anyone for sleeping quarters, or it's great for even storage. So that way, when you are downsizing in a tiny home, you don't have to give away all your knickknacks. You can hide those up here, out of the way. That way, nobody sees them on the main floor. And I want to thank you guys for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to the videos. Remember to let me know how I'm doing. And remember to tune in next week, every Tiny Home Tuesday, to see what I bring to you next. And you guys have a great day.